I have purchased an air compressor with Doerr motor. The capacitor is missing. I cannot get any local electrical shop to guess what capacitor to replace it with. Motor nameplate data, 115-230, 20 amp, 3 horsepower SPCL, 3450 RPM Frame J56, kVA code E, type K, duty compressor. Motor ref 60704-8K893. 93C306246001. I am not sure whether this is a start or run capacitor. Would please identify a replacement capacitor.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Yay, an electrical shop isn't going to have the information. What is the air compressor make and model? I suspect the air compressor cam with the motor. Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
Acme Model 9060, 12.9 CFM, 3 horsepower, 725 psi, manufacturing no. ###.
Okay, thanks for the information. That gives some more information for checking on parts. We'll post in a bit with any information found in the databases. Thanks.
Thanks.
Not a problem. Sometimes these motors are shopped out so often on equipment, it just present problems in research. I apologize for the wait, the Doerr motor line is a difficult one. They were started by the same individuals as Leeson and sold the Doerr line many years ago to W. Grainger, who is better known today as Dayton branded items. Not sure what happened to the line afterwards. Grainger has always been less information oriented than anyone in releasing information to the public. But their customer service is very good at most locations. Did not have any other information to pass on, unfortunately, nothing found with that motor, and since it is a SPL motor, it was special for the air compressor use. I have worked with motors very extensively for the past 30 years, and my recommendation in this type of case is first try a contact with Grainger, find the closest branch to your location to call. If there is any information left in the databases, they would be able to get it. If they hit a dead end as well because of the age, then contact a local motor repair shop. They do rewinding, bearings, capacitors, machining, etc., everything that has to do with a motor. They can either have the information through their extensive database, or they can many times do a few tests on the motor and determine the proper size capacitor to install. I have used motor shops since 1982 and they are the best in the industry for motor information and parts/repairs. Very rare to hit a dead end with them. They will be in the yellow pages, usually electric motor repair. If I do come across anything in the meantime, we'll post it as well. But the Grainger and a motor shop close by are the best options at this point. No, it is not a definitive answer, but capacitors can be anywhere across the board, there is no uniformity to them. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.